Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We start chapter 2nd, that is types of hardware for class 9. Our first chapter is completed, and in the second chapter we also discuss some of the informations in our previous video. If you not watch it, please go to the playlist and watch it. Now today we discuss about output device. Output device, it is used for displaying output on the computer screen. Means, as we know that computer work on IPO cycle, that means input process output cycle. In the previous video we already discussed about input devices, means how we give the input to the computer system. We also discussed about processing, means who perform processing, that means we talk about CPU. And now today we talk about output device, means output device is used to display the result on the computer screen. According to IPO cycle, when process is done by the processor, means by the CPU, then the CPU send back that information to the output device, and the output device display the result on the computer screen. Example, monitor, printer, etc. For example, if a user want to know that if I do 5 minus 3, what it result, then by the use of input device, he give the instruction to the computer 5 minus 3. After processing, the processor send the result to the output device. That means its answer is to the output device that result to on the computer screen, which is done by our monitor. In the picture, there is some example of output devices. Some of output devices are: first one, monitor. Monitor, in the picture you can easily see it. It is just look like a television. It display result on the computer screen. Means when the process is done, it display the result on the computer screen, and it is just look like a television. Our next topic is types of monitor. First one, CRT. CRT stands for cathode ray tube, and it is same as television. In the picture you can easily see it. This is the picture of CRT, and it is just look like a television. It works same as television, means electron gun is present inside the television, and when the light is emitted, the signal is transferred to the computer screen, and the result will display on the screen. Our next monitor is LCD. LCD, it stands for liquid crystal display. LCD are very thin, but actually it composed of several layers. In the picture you see it is very thin, but the reality is that it is made up of several layers. Next monitor is plasma monitor. Plasma monitor, it is very flat panel display. In the picture you can easily see it. It is very flat. It is very expensive and more power consuming monitor because it display high quality images. That's why it is very expensive, and it also consume more power as compared to another monitor. Our next monitor is touch screen monitor. Touch screen monitor, it is built by touch sensitive material that protect the monitor from finger. Means when we touch it, it not produce any type of harm to the human as well as the computer system, because it is made by touch sensitive material, and it also detect human finger when human touch the screen. Means when we touch from any folder, the computer detected that which folder we want to open, and then the computer display the result of that folder. Today we can easily see touch screen monitor For example, our smartphone, it also work as like touch screen monitor, because most of the work of our smartphone we done by using our finger. If we want to open any folder, we touch it by our hand. So it also work as like a touch screen monitor. Our last monitor is OLED. OLED, it stands for Organic Light Emitting Display. It is portable and light-weighted monitor. In the picture, you can easily see it. This is the picture of Organic Light Emitting Display, that means OLED, and it is very portable and light-weighted monitor. Portable, that means we can carry it from one place to another place. Remaining we'll discuss in our next video. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe it also, and share it to your friend to get the knowledge of computer. And please subscribe it so that you get the notification of my latest video.